Exercise number 1, Band Bicycle Crunch. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Grab the band, stay tight, and start pedaling. Twist through your core and pull against the resistance. Keep your abs engaged and squeeze on every rotation, control the movement. Exercise number 2, Decline Crunch. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lock in on the decline bench and crunch up using your abs. Keep your chin off your chest and squeeze hard at the top. Control the way down, quality reps only. Exercise number 3, Dumbbell Russian Twist. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lean back, hold the dumbbell, and rotate side to side. Keep your chest up and core tight. Twist with control and feel those obliques fire. Exercise number 4, Suspension Mountain Climber. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Feet in the straps, plank strong, drive your knees in fast and controlled. Keep your hips low and abs locked. Full body core chaos, stay focused. Exercise number 5, Incline Leg Hip Raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie back on the incline, lift your hips up, and squeeze your lower abs. Control the descent and keep tension the whole way. Strong core, strong movement. Exercise number 6, Incline Plank. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Finish with an incline plank. Body straight, core tight, shoulders strong. Breathe steady and stay locked in, hold solid and finish powerful.